Raised beds are a popular gardening method in the US Gulf Coast and other regions with similar climates. A raised bed is a gardening method where the soil is built up in a bed that is above the surrounding soil level. This can be done using a variety of materials such as wood, brick, or concrete blocks. Raised beds have several advantages for gardening in the US Gulf Coast. The soil in raised beds warms up more quickly in the spring, which can allow for earlier planting. The soil in a raised bed can also drain better and stay less compacted, which can be helpful in a climate with heavy rains and clay soils. Raised beds can also help to keep weeds and pests under control, and they make it easier to tend to the plants since they are at a more convenient height. However, raised beds can also have some drawbacks. They can be more expensive to set up, especially if using materials like lumber. Raised beds can also dry out more quickly than in-ground beds, since they may need more frequent watering. And if the soil is not properly prepared, the soil can become compacted, which can decrease the drainage and aeration. It's also important to consider some best practices for building raised beds in the US Gulf Coast. Locate the beds where they will receive full sun. Avoid using treated wood, since it can leach chemicals into the soil. Avoid using rocks as a bottom layer, since they can impede drainage. Consider using a combination of soil and compost to fill the bed. Also consider using a drip irrigation system to make watering more efficient.